Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive, and today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Mazda CX-5. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. This is a Mazda Certified Pre-Owned Vehicle. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Taking a look inside, you have cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side before we swing around to the back end. On the back, dual point exhaust, rear backup camera, and this CX-5 is all-wheel drive, so you won't be sliding all over the road on those wintry Wisconsin days. There are splits on the back seats here. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Taking a look inside, you have audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.